Hello. So I want to talk today about why victim state is totally bad for you to manifest your dream life. Because it's always, if you are in this state, actually, you are not taking a responsibility to your actions and you are blaming others. When you want to manifest, you have to be centered on you and stop blaming others. Just take care of your own. And that's it. I will explain this really in a way that you can understand. This is Sam. I'm in Unity Profusion. Oh, and if you enjoy this kind of videos, I recommend you follow, subscribe actually, like and comment. So let's begin why this is important to change. And remember that we can change everything by a lot of ways, different ways, affirmation, meditations, visualizations. There's a lot of ways for changing. But this time, I want to talk about how important is for you to take responsibility in your life for manifestation. Because actually, taking responsibility of your acts will actually give you power. When you are, I will say, I will erase this. So let's say take respon okay, responsibility. Take responsibility of your life will give you power. And I know that sometimes it's more easy to blame others than yourself when something is happening. But remember to manifestate is when you take action in you, in your own life. That's why I recommend always to do meditations. Why meditations? Why? Because it will give you like relax. And for manifestation, you have always to be in this relaxed state. And of course, if you are in the state of victim, you're not relaxed. You are thinking that everything is, I don't know, against you or whatever, when it's actually not. But because you are thinking that way, it's actually showing that on your life. So really, it's important just to change this state of mind because it's not good for you. So, you know, and so what I mean by that is like, and I have some more videos about why meditation is good, of course, and why you need to meditate when you wake up and when you are going to sleep because it's more easy to reprogram yourself. And also, I want to shout out some channels that are amazing for subliminals and actually to understand more. And yeah, so this is I really like uh, listening subliminals from a high frequency guru. Shout out to you. You're so cool. I really love your content is amazing and it is really helpful, guys. Really, really, really. Um, and also the channel of one of these girl that is amazing as well. Um, because it's really me. I will link these channels of them. Because I was starting following her before like she is now like uh celebrity of manifestations and all that, and also because she's a model, she's a petite model, sorry. And before all this, she was making videos explaining about affirmation and all this. So if you want proof, like she's a live proof. I hope I have my own proof, but I'm talking in other videos. If you want to go, you can check it. I will link all the videos and all information on the box. Okay. So. Thanks also for them because it's really also for changing your state. What I find really helpful is try to watch only things that are aligned to manifestation. Sorry, my lyric is so bad. But as I say, it's a way for me and for you to focus more in the fact. Um, so I was saying this really good that, you know, if you want to change a state, everything that is outside, you are in your hands. I mean, everything, even when you are, I don't know what do you use, TikTok, Instagram, Twitter, whatever you use is okay. But you can select and give information to the algorithm and use in your favor to show only things that are good and will empower you. You know that is amazing and it's a really life changing. So I recommend you to actually watch all the content about this because it's also helpful. Wait a minute again. So um so that will help you to stay in your state of mind. If you are in this state of mind, not taking responsibility of your own acts in your life, and that will give you more power to manifest all the things that you want in your life. So let's be smart, guys, girls, boys, whatever, or whoever is watching. I adore you. Please subscribe. I will be posting more videos and more music is coming so as well. So thank you so much for all the comments and the good vibe that you always send me. I really appreciate that. And also the emails that I get asking me for some specific information. Some of you guys are shy. You don't have to be shy with me because I'm really open, so don't worry. You can ask for requests. Anything that you don't understand, I can just make a video. I really like to help in all this. That's why I'm here. Because, if you help and if you know things that are helpful for you and you can just spread that, it's been amazing, right? So, yeah. What for this, I want you to understand that again, and let's begin like because for manifestation you have to be taking actions on your own inside, not outside. Sometimes outside is okay, like inspiring actions, but actually taking action outside, like as I am saying, like watching only things that will help you and will put you in a state of good mindset about manifestation and about feeling good. I don't know what you want to manifestate, sorry, if there is a change in your behavior, in the way that you see life or whatever. You can always search. You have internet, we have it all like really in our hands, literally, because we have internet. That's what is more amazing than that. So that is one. Is meditation as well. Um, Focus and if you can do it, it's not so much something that I do, but it's really helpful. I only made like I don't know like times like affirmation like robotic affirmation over and over and over again. I am more like do things when I wake up and when I go to sleep. Meditation and visualizations and all that. But for a lot of people, they can choose, I don't know, watch something and just keep on repeating whatever you want to change. I explained in the other video, like you have to only always make a positive statement for change anything. I don't know if you have like mm, not confidence in you, then you should say like something like I am confident, and repeat over and over again. Something like that, Or if it is about money, you can change it like everything is pre- programmable, So just be aware. And I know that you can. That's why I'm making this because before I was some years ago, I was in the same position of other people, like knowing all this. And being so aware of that I actually control this game of life. I like to call game of life because it's what it is. So yeah, I hope that you can take care of you and try to do things to make you feel good. I know you can because if someone can, that is like that. So okay, have a nice day, and I will do another videos more with the same because we are the change. This is my, I don't know if you can see it, one of my merch. If you want to buy, I actually will link below this. Uh, I really like um because we are the change. There is no one outside. It's only us inside, and we are connected with everything. But okay, so I will talk about next about more specific things about manifestation. So keep on tune and give a thumbs up, comment, say something nice to this, or if you want, I don't know. But yeah, let's see you later and bye.